Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and happy new year. I hope everyone is starting the year off great. I do know it's a lot of stuff going on, but you know what? It's not how you start, it's how you finish. So we're gonna manifest a positive year. Just keep manifesting it, okay? But y'all, can we start this year off with a nice wig? I mean, can we? Alright, so this unit comes from BeautyForever on Amazon. You'll see all the information down below in the description area in case you guys are interested. This baby is very affordable. Not only if you click the discount button that's on the wig, but if you also use the code TwinsWig10, you will receive an additional 10% discount just for my subscribers, bringing this unit to about 125 bucks. So yeah, get into it. But this unit is sort of kind of customized already. The hairline is a bit tweezed and it is a tiny bit bleached, but it's not enough for my liking. So I'm going to take my 30 volume developer and my quick blue bleaching powder and create my concoction and apply it to the lace. I allow this to sit on for about 45 minutes because it is a bit cold in the house, and then after that I use the coldest water to get it off, and just so that my knots do not turn brassy or shiny, I like to use a purple shampoo to kind of neutralize the color so that it looks more like my skin complexion. I allowed that to sit on those knots for about 30 minutes just so that, again, the shininess will kind of like neutralize. And once that's finished, I'm going to use the residual shampoo that's on the lace to get the hair cleansed, and then I go in with my Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight conditioner to get the hair nice and conditioned.
Precious, wanna spend it with you. You know it's good if you wanna come through. Get in my space, make you wanna stay. Everything just fades away.
For those of you guys who are on a hunt for a conditioner that will make your hair extremely soft, I really recommend that Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. This will be the first time I've ever used it on a straighter unit, and it made the hair so soft. But let's get into the hair. I did spray on some of my Wow Glass leave-in conditioner heat protectant just to make the hair nice and shiny. And now to further customize this unit, I am going to go in and tweeze that hairline. I'm going to do a really quick blowout to this unit. So I'm taking my BioSilk Silk Therapy Light Serum, and we'll just apply a quarter size amount throughout the entire unit. And I like to take my hair dryer and a round brush to add tension to the hair, just so I can get that hair nice and straight without having to use a flat iron. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot get over how soft this unit is. I really recommend that conditioner. But let's get into styling. I opt for a middle part, and now I'm just taking some of my wax stick to lay the edges of the unit, using my flat iron to just really give it a nice sleek look. We really want this hair to look nice and laid because the hair itself is laid. So we're gonna flatten the top, and I'm gonna go in with some quick and easy baby hairs. Claps.
All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Baby,
I am finally done customizing this unit. I did want you guys to see the hairline up close so you guys can see just how much I tweezed. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get the wig on. There's one thing that I did regret not doing, and that would be tinting the lace, because the lace is transparent, which pretty much means it's going to come up lighter on my complexion. But I'm going to fix it a little bit later. You guys will see what I will do. But right here, I'm just going to go and get that lace cut off. So you guys can see how light that lace is coming up on my complexion. So we are going to fix it in a little bit, but for the meltdown, I like to use my Bedhead Hardhead Mini Hairspray and just apply that under and on top of the lace to get it to melt down. And I'm also going to play around with the baby hairs. Also, what I like to take is my elastic strip just to further melt the unit down. I do find that that helps a lot. And I'm just going to take some more of that wax and just kind of lay the hair so that it's nice and sleek. So like I mentioned before, the lace is a transparent color, which means it's going to come up a bit light on your complexion if you're brown or even darker than I am. So I do recommend tinting your lace. However, you can use liquid foundation or foundation powder to get that lace to blend into your skin. I do recommend applying it on the inside of the lace, but to define that parting space, I do take a little bit of my concealer, and it just kind of just helps brings everything together, giving it more of a realistic appearance. And this is what we're working with, guys. Now I really love this hair because it is a darker shade. It's not quite black, but it's not brown at all. And so this is how it looks. It's super sleek, super soft. The inch that I have mine in is a 20 inch, and I believe the density is 150%. And look at this unit up close. I mean, look at the texture. It is perfect for those of you guys who do not like a super heavy kinky straight look. Now this unit does come with their 13 by 4 inches of parting room, so it's going to be 13 inches ear to ear and 4 inches back, so you guys can get a realistic part. Now here are the angles of the hair. I am 5'8" and this unit is 20 inches, and my torso is probably average or shorter than average, so it does come up longer on me. So y'all, look at this unit. I mean, is it a yay or a nay? Be sure to check this one out on Amazon, and also use the coupon code TwinsWig10 to save an additional 10% off of this unit, and let me know what you guys think of this one. I will catch you guys later. Bye guys.